Bangladesh is heading to the polls tomorrow in one of its closely watched elections. But how crowded is the race? Who's dominating the battlefield? And how many constituencies are actually going to the polls? Bangladesh will hold its 13th general elections and national referendum on February 12th, with voting taking place from 7:30 to 4:30 across the country. Originally scheduled in 300 parliamentary constituencies, elections will now be conducted in 299 constituencies after voting in Sherpur 3 was cancelled due to the death of a candidate. A total of 2,028 candidates are contesting in the election. Out of them, 1,755 candidates belong to political parties, while 273 are independent candidates. Among the political parties, the Bangladesh Nationalist Party (BNP) has fielded the highest number of candidates, 291 in total. Overall, 50 political parties are participating in the polls. In terms of representation, there are 83 female candidates, including 63 from political parties and 20 independents. More than 127.7 million voters are expected to cast their votes across 42,779 polling centers, with nearly 2,47,482 polling rooms set up nationwide. To ensure security, authorities have deployed approximately 9,58,000 law enforcement personnel, including over 1,30,000 army troops, along with Air Force, Navy, Police, RAB and Border Forces. For the first time, drones, UAVs and body-worn cameras are also being used to monitor polling stations. Officials estimate voter turnout could be around 55%, though final participation will be confirmed after voting concludes. With 50 political parties in the race, over 2,000 candidates contesting and voting taking place in 299 constituencies, Bangladesh's 13th general elections are set to be a major democratic exercise under tight security and international observation. Pakistan has reported its second death linked to Mpox, raising concerns about possible local transmission of the virus. Health officials confirmed that the latest case involved a patient with no travel history, a key detail suggesting the virus may now be circulating within the country. This follows the first Mpox-related death reported in Islamabad in December 2023. Last year, Pakistan recorded 53 confirmed cases. So what exactly is Mpox? Mpox is a viral disease caused by the monkeypox virus. It typically begins with symptoms such as fever, body aches, fatigue and swollen lymph nodes, followed by rash that can appear on the face, hands, body or private areas. Now, how does it actually spread? It spreads through close physical contact. This includes direct skin-to-skin contact with infected rashes or lesions, contact with body fluids, and exposure to contaminated items like clothing or bedding. It can also spread through prolonged face-to-face contact. However, health authorities stress that Mpox is not airborne like COVID-19. Most cases are mild, but the disease can become severe in individuals with weakened immune systems. Officials are urging early testing, isolation of suspected cases, and immediate medical attention for unusual rashes or symptoms. With 2 deaths now reported in evidence pointing towards local transmission, awareness and timely action remain critical to preventing further spread.